What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of New Parents in Training. So we got a new toy from Wiz Toys, and this is a Bubble Fun Bubble Dino. So our kid started to walk a little bit more, and we want to engage him to help him further along with his walking. So the good people over at Wiz Toys sent us this Bubble Dino. So let me unbox this. Alright, so this one is battery power. It does require 3 AA batteries, and the batteries are not included. And also another thing is that this toy is age 3 and up. Part of it, I believe, is because of there might be choking hazards, but then we're gonna watch our kid when he playing this, so it should be okay for our kid. So this is what's inside. Let me see. Oh. So they already provide you with the bubble. Oh, 2 bottles. Cool. Got 2 bottles of bubble. Let's see what else they have. The Wiz toy free gift. So inside the card it says they prepared some exclusive gifts for some lucky customers. So just make sure that you go in and then get them a review. If you don't want any of the toys, they can just send you a $15 Amazon card. Just keep that in mind. So it's something that's worth trying out. Okay, I also provide you with an instruction on how to use this Bubble Dino. And here is the Bubble Dino itself. Oh, cool. They provide you with a screwdriver. Oh, okay, I see. So the dino is screwed down to the cardboard here. So you just had to unscrew it with the screwdriver provided. Alright, so here is the dino. Oh, this is pretty cool. Let's see. Oh, so the battery tray is underneath here. Just had to open it up with the screwdriver that's provided. Okay, so remember, it's 3 AA batteries. Okay, the on and off button is by the tail. Whoa. Okay, this is a pretty cool toy. So apparently you just pour the bubble inside the mouth here. So inside the mouth, there's a little drainage. It goes right into the belly. Okay, so I open up the blue bubble, but I think the green and the blue, they are the same. Alright, just keep in mind, if you're gonna use the Bubble Dino with the bubble function, do it outside, not indoor. Okay, just keep that in mind. I'm just gonna pour some in here. Yeah, as I pour, the solution goes right into the belly itself. Now they do have a little cap here. If you are done playing, this cap goes to the bottom where the wheel is. So once you're done, put it there, then this won't go anywhere. And last thing, if after you're done playing and there's still solution in there, you can just tilt it back and then pour the solution back out. But we'll see how that goes. But overall, this thing looks pretty cute, and yeah, we're just gonna go try it out. Alright, here's the Bubble Dino, and I filled some of the bubble solution in here. And now what you need to do is just turn it on, and now it's making turns. And it's now making bubbles. And what's so cool about it is you can press the red button on top. It has music as well. Okay, alright, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.